Hello, I'm here again. Sa video na ito, magluto ko ako ng ulam gamit yung dalawang sangkap. So this is the potato chips and this is white onion. So have you tried it? Have you tasted it? Na-try nyo na ba? So first, I cut the white onion. Cut half. Cut the onion thin slice. Using corn oil in the pan. Put the corn oil. Now the oil is hot, so put the white onion. Now let's subkay the onion. Yung potato chips, ito yung potato chips, oh. Let's subkay again. Stir it. Little bit of ginisa mix. Put little water. I like little spicy, so I put chili powder. Now I put sweet cooking wine. If you don't have cooking wine, it's okay. No need to put a little bit of soy sauce. Stir it. I think it's done, so I will turn off the fire. So ito na siya. Potato with onion. So bahala na kayo anong tawag nyo dito.